Hello, good afternoon. I'm as promised yesterday, I'm going to do the video on how to actually use a lot size and how it works actually. So as I said, when you open your MetaTrader 4 or 5, what you're going to see is you have codes, you have charts, trade, history, and settings. So the code is where you actually see the currency pairs. So if you go to codes, what you're going to see is the various currency pairs. So we have GBP USD, Euro USD, USD JPY, and so on. And the plus sign at the top here is to add other currency pairs, right? So you can just search for any currency pair, let's say USD, CHF, and so on, right? You can add any other currency pair you want to add, and you go back, right? So now we are going to delete any currency pair, you can just go to the edit button and you click on it and you delete the currency pair and you go back. So now if you want to place a trade on the currency pair, there are two ways. It's either you just click on the currency you want to trade, or you swipe to the left. You swipe to the left, or you swipe to the left of the currency pair like this, but it won't go like this. So when you've already opened the trade, so I would just prefer you click on it and you just take trade. So now, as I said yesterday about the lot size, right? Now to be able to place a lot size, you need to know which type of order you're going in with, right? So now we are going with instant execution. Instant execution means you're buying at the current market price, right? But if you're going with limit orders or stop orders, it means you want to buy at a specified price which you're going to set the order and leave for price to reach at that level before you place the order. So let's start with the instant execution, or you either call it market order. So as I said, we'll go with a standard lot. A standard lot means each pip movement here is equivalent to $10. So if price goes to your direction by one pip movement, you make $10, and if price goes against your direction by one pip, you make negative $10, right? So we are taking an order of buy. Now when you take buy, notice here where you have GBP USD comma buy 1.00. now if you go below it, you will see 1.25265. that is the current market price at which you bought, right? Now if you go, you see the arrow which is showing now 1.25262. that is the price, the price which is currently changing. That is the price is fluctuating. Now for you to know how many pips this thing has moved, as I said, the pip is counted by the 4th decimal place, right? So if you look at 1.2, now you start counting the decimal place, 1.25265. that's where you bought. So the decimal place is 1.2526. so we are looking at 6, right? So now look at the arrow. Now what is changing? You have 1.2527. it means it has moved by one pip. You're supposed to be making $10, right? You look now, it's already going to 13 or $10 because it has moved by one pip from 6 to 7. Now it has moved from 6 to 8. You see, you'll be making $20, right? Now it is, as it keeps fluctuating, if you move from 6 to, let's say from 6, now it goes down instead to 3, you'll be making what, negative $30, right? That is how you know the lot size you're putting and how to calculate it with a pip. So if I use a micro lot of 0.1 and I place a buy order, so now you notice now that, as I said, with 0.1, each pip movement here is equivalent to $1, right? So if it goes for your direction, you make plus $1. if it goes against your direction, you make negative $1. So let's go down. You have 1.25283. that is the price at which you bought, and you are looking at the 4th decimal place, which is 8 in this case, right? And what do you have here? 1.25288. you see it is changing. It has gone to 308. now look at the decimal place where you actually bought. So 28, now it has gone to 253. means it has moved by what? By one decimal place, or approximately 1.2, approximately 2 decimal places. That's why you're making $2, and it keeps fluctuating like that, and that is how you calculate the pip movement. And if you take the third type of order, which is the third loss, the mini lot size, that's the last one, you have 1.01, right? You buy. So in this one, if price move in your direction by $1, by one pip, you're making 0.1 cent, right? You're making 0.1 cents actually. So you're making 1 cent, let's say 1 cent. So you see that now you have 1.25291. that's the price you bought, and price is moving. You see it is going against your direction now, so it has gone out to 29, right? 29, and you entered at 29, so that's why it's balanced 0. But if it goes, let's say it goes like it goes down, okay, it has gone out to 253 and so on. You see it is moving just by $0.1 and that's how it keeps moving. And if you look back to the one we took, the one standard lot, we're at 26, it has gone to 29, right? So you see that you're making 30, which is the difference. That is 3 pips. So that is how you use the lot sizes and the position and the pip movement to calculate the amount of profit or the loss you will make actually in a trade. Yeah. Hope this helps. But if you still have further questions, you could go ahead and ask.